On COVID cases statewide, the health department is reporting 1,691 new confirmed and probable cases of COVID in the past day. 12 more people have died. The positivity rate stands at 4%. 56% of the population 12 and over is fully vaccinated. But here's the cause for concern. A chart released by state health officials shows hospitalizations have more than doubled in the past 28 days. And today, 881 people are in the hospital with COVID compared to 424 earlier this month.
The increase in cases comes with new masking guidance for people in Cook County, which now joins several other local counties experiencing what the CDC defines as a substantial community spread of COVID-19.
WGN's Gaynor Hall joins us now live from City Hall with more on that. Gaynor?
Yeah, Ben and Micah, Cook County is now on the list. The CDC recommendation is that everyone should resume wearing masks inside in public, whether you are vaccinated or not. The map is changing. With COVID-19 cases climbing, Cook County joins DuPage, McHenry, and Will counties, falling in the substantial risk category.
Today's decision from the CDC says when you're in indoor environments, you should be masked as we are today, and we will continue to be responsive to those steps.
Cook County recommending everyone follow the CDC guidance, citing new data that in rare cases, vaccinated people infected with the Delta variant can be contagious and spread the virus to others. Earlier this week, CDC officials urged people to mask up regardless of vaccination status in areas where there is high or substantial risk of transmission of COVID-19. That now applies to most of Illinois. Governor Pritzker not issuing a new statewide mask mandate, but masks are now required in all state facilities, whether you're fully vaccinated or not. The governor said in a statement he'll continue to evaluate the need for further additional mitigations, again urging holdouts to talk to their doctors and get vaccinated for the best protection against severe outcomes.
Without that protection, you're playing Russian roulette. This variant is real. It is deadly, and it is devastating.
At an unrelated event earlier, Chicago's mayor said she's having conversations about possibly requiring city workers to get vaccinated, but she backed off previous comments that she would issue new restrictions once the city average crosses the approaching threshold of 200 cases a day.
We're concerned about this steady creep up. Now, the increase in cases isn't doubling, if you will, at the same rate that we saw, certainly not last year in the spring or even last fall when we truly had another second wave.
Cook County health officials say they will be releasing new masking guidelines tomorrow following the CDC recommendations, and they are asking for everyone to cooperate. Reporting live tonight, Gaynor Hall, WGN News.
Thank you, Gaynor. Health